Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You need the latest Violet update and a stable internet connection. Once those are set, open the game and position yourself near a den cluster. First, prepare a raid-ready party. Pick high CP Pokémon with stab and coverage moves for neutral hits. Then, use the Union Circle or Invite code to find teammates quickly. This saves time over random matchmaking. Make sure your Nook phone messenger or Discord is ready. Because coordination matters, call out roles and switch-ins before you enter. Once you're moving, prioritize dens showing red beams for higher odds of 5-star raids. Check the in-game map and weather for boosts that change spawn pools, because weather often influences which legendaries appear. While traveling, assign roles, lead DPS, support, and reviver, and call out switch timings. Enter with shields and max revives stocked. If you have a Terastal or Z-move equivalent, save it for the second phase. Keep an eye on raid timers and make rapid switches to exploit type resistances. After victory, immediately claim rewards and register the caught Pokémon. You should check Roman 4 with the judge to decide on trades or move-assets. If you disconnect mid-raid, try to rejoin within the window and notify teammates. If server problems persist, restart the game and re-enter the den as soon as possible. If you fail the encounter, analyze why, swap out ineffective counters, coordinate better Mega or Terra usage, and try again with a stronger or better sync squad.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.